What's up, y'all? It's Jordan Marv, Martin Stock Club, Martin Investment Group. Here are three stocks we're looking at for tomorrow, which is, let me check the watch, Wednesday, the 11th of January. So we're going to kick it off. Exxon, inside bar. We got the trend line here. So we're looking at it two ways. Swing to the downside to come back test trend line, right? On the break of the low, really, you can go ahead and take this low out. We could target that trend line. Go ahead and move a stop up. Let's move the stop down to the open of that candle. So we break back above open, start pushing back into that range, giving us a 2 to 6 risk to reward. On the upside, right, we take out the high of yesterday's candle, and we can go ahead and start making our way up, use the open for our stop loss, and go ahead and target that high, right? Now it gives 2.47 risk to reward. So we got pretty good R to R both sides. So that would be the first thing we're looking at. Second, we're going to swing over to Intel. Intel inside bar again, right? Kind of the same deal. We see Intel has been shooting off, so I bet that RSI is pretty hot. Yep, RSI is looking like it's in the mid 70s. So potential for us to have that pull back after that big move up. We haven't had any move down, as you know, normally, right? We'll go up, down, up, down, up, down, right? And here we have down, up, up. All right, but now we're just straight up. So looking really for the move back down here. And we see we went ahead and rejected again. Right here, right around that 2980 area. So we could push up there again if we take out the high. Go ahead and test that, and then we can see a big break up above. My big thing that I'm looking at is the possibility for us to break this low and start coming down. And really knocking some of this area out that's just been left wide open after this big move up. So I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert for a break below this low, 2884. I'm gonna go 2875. All right. Give me a break and close. That'll actually take us to the gap. And then we can start working our way down through this candle. And then my last one is UAL, which looks kind of like Intel. Huge move up. Definitely know this is news related, right? As you can see, some things going on with Boeing, airlines earnings season coming up. All right, so huge move up. From a technical standpoint, I want to see it start back breaking through this high here. This is 44.19, so we can break back down through 44.15, get a close below there on maybe the 15 chart. Then I can start looking at us moving back down, testing the low here at about 43. And then start to move down and take out some more lows. Because just like Intel, high RSI, overbought, and sharp move with no pullback yet. So those are three stocks I'm looking at. Of course, we're trading live every single day in the Discord. Links in the description. Like, comment, share, subscribe so I can keep making these videos for y'all. Have a great day. Make y'all some money.